Listen, I just put a video together, a iPhone version of the castle. All right. It just got me to thinking that I live in Orlando, where people spend tens of thousands of dollars to go see a fiberglass counterfeit castle. Thousands of dollars. It's people's dream of a lifetime. They take the family and then they wait in line. I've gone there recently. It's unbelievable. I look like the only one who's bothered. Everybody else is having a good time with a crappy meal and okay, stop. On a budget, you could come here for a week for $3,000. And that's being generous. Yeah. Depending on where you're from, I guess I'm referring to people in the United States, you could come here for a decent $3,000 and go to an authentic castle, an authentic 12th century Venetian castle. They gave me the key to it. They don't give you that at Disney World. On the island of Amorgos, they have their own distillery, and through the grapes and through the cactus, they make their own wine and tequila and other Amorgian drinks that they add herbs and honey, and we're going inside to check it out. Okay, so I can eat this.
Yeah.
Are there seeds in here?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
But they're eating.
I can eat it. You might break a tooth. And this is a prickly pear from an Amorgian cactus. Wow. It's so good cold. And what is this?
We call it fragosicomelo. It's raki, herbs, and cactus.
It's no alcohol. Oh boy.
But then we have tequila.
Woo! Okay. Oh, good. That's alcohol. There's no alcohol in that? Oh my God. Yes, there is. There's none?
No, it's raki. It's not alcohol.
I could get drunk on that no alcohol. This is the tequila. Dun, 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 dun. Ready? Here we go. That's good. But there's something stronger? Okay, let's see.
You don't have to drink it all.
Okay, here we go. Ready? So this is a little stronger. Salute! Oh, Jesus. That's gasoline. I could put that in that vehicle.
You want to try something different?
Like water. I couldn't read that if I tried. The color is from honey. That's amazing. Herbs, honey, and like wine.
Raki.
Raki.
And sugar.
And more sugar.
This one is from raki, and from pomegranate.
Oh.
Sweet.
Okay. Lunch. Lunch. Oh, that's really good. That surprised me. Oh, which one am I taking home? I think these are my winners.
Yeah, you like sweet. Our best sweet red wine from sun-dried grapes.
Oh. Yeah, I like sweet, huh? Would like one bottle, please, to take home. And that bottle is... Which one do you think I like the most? This. I think it'll travel well. I can pack it in my suitcase. Or I can drink it here. Oh, how helpful have you been? Thank you so much. Enjoy your day.
You too.
Bye-bye. Awesome. Yeah. You know, I've always driven, I'll tell you why. I've always driven by, but I've never had a chance. When I picked up the cactus, I'm covered in tiny little cactus prickies that I can't see, but God, I feel them. Yeah, okay. Next place. I was at, I went to a restaurant. I used the Wi-Fi. Something came up. Something about Saturday. I don't know. And I guess a good vacation is one that you completely lose track of time. I'm leaving tomorrow. Okay. Okie dokie. Who wants some juicy carrots? That's for you. Here you go. Oh, crunchy, crunchy. Who wants their carrots? Oh, I see you back there. I see you. All right. I was on the other side of the island and I didn't get to see everything. So I said, I'll come back tomorrow. I'm leaving tomorrow. Come get your carrot. This is for you. You're the one I'm worried about. Sweet thing. It's okay. Oh, there you go. There you go. That's your carrot, sweetie. That's your sweetie. Okay, you want some action? Oh, get it. Okay, you can just take it. Okay, you. Another carrot for you. You ready? Here we go. Oh. Okay, you can get it. Come on. Sweetie, 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 sweetie. Little thing. Who wants a carrot? You are too aggressive. I want the little one to have it. You take this. Here, take this, baby. Take that. That's for you. Come on, don't be for no. Come on. Stop, stop, stop. All right. All right, bye-bye, everybody. It's been a pleasure. Come here, you. Be sweet. Be sweet. It's okay. Look, I'm right here. Been a pleasure. Oh, little one. Come here, little one. You gonna be okay? All right. White one? I hope you get out of timeout. Little one. Little one. You. Be sweet. It was a pleasure. It was a pleasure. Your hospitality was outstanding. I like to get to know the locals. You. I like to get to know the locals. Money box for donations. Thank you for your support. What do you think? You happy about that? Or you just want more to eat? And then we'll give them all a change. There. All right, that's for you. That's for you. Okay? Maybe somebody will get you some carrots. Alrighty. Yo, I gotta go.